Hey everyone, it's TeamWithERVING here. Welcome to another session. Today I'm gonna show everyone how to trade gold like a pro. Trading with TeamWithERVING. So today I'm gonna show you with details how we trade enter on gold using our multiple time frame, when and how we enter on the market. So let's go to work and see. So hopefully everything makes sense. Please leave a comment below if you do have any question after you watched our introduction to gold. So first thing first, guys, is I'm gonna explain you with detail slowly so you can get it. First thing that you have to do no matter what is always pay attention what your dashboard is doing. Let me go ahead and put a number here. So step number one is always your dashboard. Let's go ahead and make a circle in that one so you can see what I'm talking about. Step number one is always pay attention to your dashboard, whatever time frame you are gonna be trading. Second thing that you are gonna be doing, guys, is you always gonna be paying attention what your your multiple time frame is doing. That is your rule number two that you have to do here on the market. And the last and the third step that you have to do is always pay attention in what direction is your sniper entry going in favor of your multiple time frame. So in this scenario here, your sniper entry guy is going in favor of your sell position. Look at that, beautifully. So we have 1, 2, 3. And the last thing that you're gonna be doing, guys, is you're gonna be checking what is your real-time trend doing. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter if it's doing a pullback or it's going in favor of the trend, whatever it is doing. So in this scenario here, guys, if you see here real time, the market is giving us our multiple time frame is giving us a indication the market is doing a pullback. So yes, don't say that it's bullish, because I would think you're talking about a long-term bullish. So just name it what it is. So it's clearly market is giving us here a pullback. Oops, let me write it. There you go. It's giving us a pullback. So hopefully that everything makes sense. Once again, always pay attention to your dashboard, right? This is number one. That's rule number one. Rule number two is in which direction is your multiple time frame going. Rule number three is in which direction is your sniper going in favor of your multiple time frame. So in this scenario here is bearish. And the last thing that you are gonna be paying attention here, guys, is your real-time trend. Whatever it is doing, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So look at the benefit here, guys. This is what a trick many newbies here. A lot of newbies were saying, okay, the market is bullish, so we're all gonna be going heavy on gold. But remember, since the market is selling, look at the stare. Even the stare is telling us here that we are selling on this market. So we have clear indication the market is selling. So most likely a lot of newbies were going heavy bullish on this one, and now suddenly what happened? Boom! Market drop. I mean, it goes in continue of our sell position, exactly what I just explained you a few seconds ago. So all we know, we are selling. So if you pay attention right now, we have one trade active. Let me delete all these drawings so I will not confuse you. I want to make everything nice and clean. Let me delete the arrows. Boom, boom. Let's leave the last the pullback arrow. So right now we have 560 pips, blue pips on the market. So we already have active here, guys. We have our trailing stop being triggered in this position. I think we are securing in this trade here $1,125 dollars. So that's what whatever happens with the market, we're gonna gain $1,125. So that's a pretty good income just on one trade. So trading with multiple time frame, the same rules that I just told you. So now obviously if I lower is right now, we got $5,000 on this trade, but I'm gonna leave it in there. So I don't want to be greedy and move it here, because if I move it here, look at that, market is gonna pay us what, about $4,000. Let's check. Yeah, $4,015. So I don't care, to be honest. I want to leave it in here. I want to secure only 1,000. Let's do $1,200. So we're doing this live anyway. We're gonna be doing a live streaming this evening, guys. So if you want to participate, come and join us. Look at that, $1,202. So no matter what happens to the market, guys, this evening we're gonna be doing a live streaming. So come in and join us if you want. Make sure you subscribe so you will come and see our live streaming. Anyway, it's gonna be free. It's not gonna cost you anything. So all you have to do is subscribe, comment and share if you want to, and I will go ahead and answer any of your questions. Okay, my Telegram link is below. If you have any question, you want to ask me a one-on-one question, I will be more than happy to give you the answer. So but that's what we're doing. So this is how we enter on this market, guys. Let me go ahead and level everything again. There you go. See, this is how we enter on gold. So what happened is we got triggered. We entered somewhere in this area here, right when our TWE sniper entry form. It was somewhere in here, and boom, we got triggered. We enter on this position here, and look at the benefit. Look at the benefit. Boom, market dropped like it was hot. Look at that, gorgeously, guys. It's it's gold. Gold, it is selling at this present time. So we are on 571 pips. Look at that, it's live, you're seeing it. So it's that simple. So let me delete everything, and once again, always pay attention to your dashboard, because to be honest, I really don't know what time frame you are gonna be trading on the market. So that's very important to know, but pay close attention. Everything is telling me daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes is selling. So the lower time frame are in a bullish position. I don't want to be in a buy position. I don't need to be in a buy position when I know that everything is selling on the market. So unless if I do get another sniper entries, exact same thing will happen here. Let me zoom out so you can see when the market gave us a bullish position, right? Let me see if I can make it a bit bigger. Hold on. There you go. So let me go ahead and delete this. So this is the market right now, guys. Is clearly telling us that we are selling, right? So you're seeing it. Boom, it's telling you that TeamWithERVING is selling. Look at here, TeamWithERVING, it was buy. This is when the market was in a bullish position. Look at this one. And this bullish position, by the way, was a pullback. Was a very heavy pullback. So now the market is going in continuation of the real trend. The real trend here is bearish, guys. So that's why we are looking into see a real trend. So most likely, guys, the next stop will be somewhere on your 1829.50. That will be your TP2. TP1 is ready hit. TP2 is coming aboard, and then we're gonna do another video by then. So but we're gonna leave this one run. Let's try to collect 1,000 pips just on this one, but it's very straightforward, so very easy to use. Hopefully this video has clarified many of your questions. Why is gold dropping? So it's just because the trend here is bearish. And if you want to check the video, I did a live streaming yesterday, guys. I told everyone how to use this blue box here, so you can put pending order when it's ready, when it's in a sell, either when it's gonna be in a buy. I told everyone the market was gonna continue bearish, and that's what it's doing at this time. So I'm very excited for that. So hopefully this makes sense, guys. Let me know in the comment below if you do have any question, and we're gonna take it from there. So hopefully I get to see everybody this evening. It's gonna be a live streaming. It's free anyway. Come and join us, ask questions. It doesn't matter what system you are using, it doesn't matter. So you can challenge me and you can put me on the test, and we're gonna hit it hard. So I just want I want the world to get free pips. A lot of people is gonna be charging you, for this as a signal. Hey, you get it for free here in TeamWithERVING channel. So that's why we had this one. I want to be honest and clear with everyone. So guys. So today we are watching our how to trade gold like a pro. I just show you simple 4 steps. Rule number 1, dashboard. Rule number 2, check in which direction is your multiple time frame going. Rule number 3 is your sniper entry. Your sniper entry is going with the same direction of your multiple time frame, yes or no. So that's your rule number 3. And the last question you're gonna ask yourself is, in which direction is my real-time trend doing? And boom, and that is how you get to trade gold like a pro. So this is what I titled this video, how to trade gold like a pro. So hopefully everything makes sense, guys. Once again, thank you, God bless you, and God bless your family, and God bless our beautiful nation. Take care. See you later this evening. Bye bye.